In front of me is Redmi Pad 2, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Gallery app and tapping on Photos or Albums on the left. When you find all of your pictures to get rid of, hold one of them. And to select multiple, click on Select All at the top right corner of chosen section. Or to select all of your photos, click on this icon at the top right corner. Either way, to keep some of them, tap on the chosen ones. And to get rid of the rest, use Delete button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!